welcome back to another video, and today's video is going to be about me doing something special with you guys with my cousin. So my cousin is currently my special guest, and today I will be showing you guys a secret, well not secret, maybe it is a Starbucks drink, but a secret recipe that me and my cousin made together. And today is all about a show on how to do that. So yes, so let's get started. So first of all, we need cups. So this is my Starbucks cup drink because I saved one, and she doesn't really have one, but this is from the ice cream place. And yes, so then we have the milk to add. We have some strawberry chocolate too, and then we have the sprinkles. They're chocolatey candies, and they're pearls, blue pearls. And we also have some whipped cream, and we have some chocolate fudge, and if you put it in the freezer, freezes in seconds, like literally so quick. And yes, so let's get started. So first of all, we get our cup. As you can see, this is the cup. And then we get the chocolate and we spread it all over the sides, and we will be doing each and ours by ourselves. But make sure not to add that much chocolate. Okay guys, so this is our cup. Now it's time to put it in the freezer. Here's our freezer. We put it in there. You put yours in there. Put it in there. Right there. Good job. Now, let's go back to the table. Guys, so these are now super like hard. Look, they don't even come out. Like the chocolate's in there and it doesn't come out. And by the way, we forgot to say at the beginning of the video, wash your hands before doing any activity of food and stuff like that, because you really need to go through this, and we're in this together, okay guys? Stay safe, stay home, and yes. So, and just in case if you go to the store or somewhere, wear your mask, wear your take your hand sanitizer, maybe wear your gloves, and then when you get home, straight to wash your hands or just take a bath to let all the germs that you collected in the store or wherever you went to is gone. So yeah guys, so by the way, we forgot to show this. It's the strawberry milk. If you don't like strawberry milk, then use chocolate milk. If you don't like chocolate milk, then just use regular milk. Okay guys, so she filled up her cup from where she wanted it to be, and now we get the strawberry milk, and I'm gonna add 2 small tablespoons or spoons of these because these are really small, and she might add 3 because that's a big cup. 1 and perfect. Now, here you go. And we do mix with the same spoon, but I should go get another one. Okay guys, so I'll be back. I decided not to use a different spoon because we will just be washing like too much dishes. I know, I'm speechless today. I don't know what to say. And yes, so as you can see, I added 1 more spoon because it was a little bit too it wasn't at her desire. Yeah. That's the word. Okay, we are done with this. Now you should try it. See if it's how you like it. I like it. Oh, that tastes delicious. Okay, next up, you guys have to put the lid on. And then you get the whipped cream right here. Then you shake it, of course. You have to shake it. And this is actually how people at Starbucks do it. They put it in there until it hits the lid, like that. Here. I don't know how to do this. Okay, that's how she likes it. I like it like this. Okay, then you get your pearls, your chocolate pearls, edible pearls, They look beautiful. Here, try it.
I already tried one.
You tried one already? Do you see that? No? What? Do you see it? What? Okay, she didn't see it. Did you eat one? Yeah. Ah, I just told you. Make sure not to add too much chocolate if you're not a chocolate person, because this chocolate fudge that we use is kind of too much and too sweet. So yeah, you can add one and then one more with the lid on. Actually, you could, never mind, that's too much. Okay guys, and this is your final Starbucks drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, let's let her finish doing that. Put them all in one spot.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is it. So this is how it turned out. You guys should totally try this at home. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.